Hey, to take screenshot on the Google Chrome, all you have to do is just to use the sniping tool when you are using the Windows 11. So you can use the shortcut. You have to click and hold the Windows logo key, Shift and the S, and now you'll get this window. But if it doesn't work for some reason, you can click on the start in the taskbar, then click on the search and input sniping tool phrase. So if you have it, I'm going to show you how you can use it, but if for some reason you don't have the sniping tool, I'm going to show you after a few moments how to actually download it. So if you have it, you just click on this new icon and be sure that actually this camera icon is selected. So click on it. And now if you want to take the cropped screenshot, like for example, only this part of the screen, click and hold with the left mouse button and then drag it like you want. There we go. Now the screenshot was taken. And now if we want to save this screenshot or edit, we can edit with these items right here. So we can, for example, draw something, select something, wherever you want. And to save, you will have to actually click on this button, Save As. And now you can find the screenshots folder. That's actually the whole path where you can actually locate your screenshots. From here, you can still rename your screenshot, but remember to leave the .png or .jpg. That's the extension. But also you can save it straight to your desktop, for example, and click Save. And now, if you don't have this sniping tool, you will have to actually click on the Start in the taskbar, go into the Microsoft Store. Then from here, you will have to actually go into the search, use sniping tool phrase, get to this one, and just click here to download. After this, you will be able to open it and simply take the screenshot. And I just forgot to show you how you can take the whole screen. So click here and just select from the left bottom corner to the right bottom corner, just like this. And now we've got our screenshot taken. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.